Traveling without mobile data is honestly a nightmare these days. Nobody wants to deal with overpriced roaming charges from their provider, and hopping from one local SIM card to another in every country gets old really fast. That's exactly why I started using eSIMs, and today we're taking a closer look at Saily eSIM. So, what is Saily? It's a digital SIM app that lets you connect online instantly without buying a physical SIM card. Everything happens inside your phone. You just pick your plan, activate it, and you're good to go. Saily works in over 200 countries, which makes it super handy if you're traveling across borders. The pricing is flexible too, so you can choose single country plans or broader regional ones depending on your trip. Now, if you really want to get the best deal, you should definitely check out TrueTech Rank. It's a site dedicated to all kinds of tech essentials, from VPNs and hosting services to antivirus software and eSIMs like Saily. What makes it stand out is that it constantly hunts down and shares the biggest discounts and exclusive offers you won't easily find elsewhere. So before you buy, take a look at TrueTech Rank. It's one of the easiest ways to make sure you're always getting the lowest price on your tech. When it comes to choosing your plan, Saily gives you two options under all destinations. The first one is country, with access to over 200 individual countries worldwide, perfect if you're visiting just one destination. The second one is region, which covers larger areas like Africa, Asia and Oceania, Caribbean islands, Europe, global, Latin America, Middle East and North Africa and North America. This way you can pick exactly what fits your travel plans. Using Saily is super simple. Instead of wasting time at the airport looking for a SIM card, you can set everything up before your trip in just a few minutes. First, you choose a Saily data plan for your destination. Just select the country or region you're traveling to and pick the plan that matches your needs. Then, download the Saily app and follow the instructions inside. The setup only takes a couple of taps, and once the eSIM is installed, you're ready to go. From there, all that's left is to enjoy your journey while staying connected. Your plan will automatically activate as soon as you land at your destination, or within 30 days after purchase, so you never have to worry about losing connection when you travel. Saily eSIM works worldwide, letting you change your virtual location to access region-locked content and use banking apps safely abroad. It also adds web protection to avoid phishing and includes an ad blocker to cut intrusive ads and save data. Overall, Saily is a simple, reliable, and affordable way to stay connected while traveling. To find the best deals on Saily and other tech services like VPNs, hosting, and antivirus, check out TrueTech Rank, which offers exclusive discounts you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.